Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at three more altcoins to buy right now on this dip. So we've been seeing this dip now for the past 48 hours or so. In the past 24 hours, the market is currently down about 4.44% here. Our top gainers, we actually do have some green. So guys, there's always going to be a green coin out there, even though everything else is red. And that's going to be PlayDAP. So PlayDAP is up about 29.93% here, trading at $2.57. So making a nice move here. Meanwhile, the market is plummeting. Highest volume is going to be Bitcoin as usual. Very high volume here at 43.7 billion. Ethereum at 25.2 billion. Bitcoin's down 4%. Ethereum's down 5.35%. Bitcoin under 60,000, guys. That is not a good thing for us right now. Under 60,000, we've been battling a long way just to stay above 60, and now we're below it again from the highs of 69,000 at one point. Ethereum here trading at the 4100 area from highs of 4800, so huge pullback with Ethereum as well. But this is obviously a great dip buying opportunity, in my opinion, personally, for long-term investors, obviously. So here we have Binance Coin down about 6%, Solana 6%, Cardano 5%, Ripple's 5%, Polkadot 6% down. Even Dogecoin, the meme, and Shiba Inu both down about 5 or 6%. But we have another green one here. So right here, Avalanche is up almost 6% here, trading at $95. So there's always going to be a green coin. Meanwhile, everything else is down between 5 and 10%, depending on which coin you're looking at. So there's always opportunities. You just have to go out there and find them right now and see what the best deal out there is in the current, space that we're looking at. So guys, before we get into this content, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 46,000 subscribers. So subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you buying right now. So the first altcoin on this list is going to be IOTA. So IOTA right here, currently in the past 24 hours, actually green. So another green one here, up almost 10%, 9.5%, with highs of about $1.44 at one point. In the past week, this one is down about 2% or so. In the past month, we're up about 5.9%. And then on the 1 year chart, we're up over 417%. So IOTA was trading at around 25 cents here last November. We hit a peak here in February at 150 almost. Continued to go higher and higher as the market continued to roar into April here, all the way to highs of about 268. Pulled back down with the market as the market crashed all the way down here to about 60 cents or so. And then from that 60 cents level, it's up over 100% right now. But at one point, it was up even over high, 200% or so. So right now, we're seeing a lot of consolidation. Hopefully, we can stay around this area, continue to consolidate sideways, and then make a breakthrough and possibly break through that $2 area once again in the future. Current market cap on this coin is very, very low, super low here at 3.8 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours at 395 million, which is actually 471% higher than usual. Usually we're trading at like 70 or 80 million per day. If we take a look down here, IOTA is designed to facilitate microtransactions between devices on the Internet of Things. IOTA uses a unique consensus algorithm that requires users to validate two transactions in order to make a transaction of their own. So that is what IOTA does. And right now, it's making a little bit of here of I guess you could say it's outstanding compared to the rest of the market, and it's making a nice move here. And that's definitely what we want to see. Here over the weekend, it went from 132 all the way to lows of about 113, and then came back up here. Meanwhile, everything else is in the red. So this coin is actually trading higher now than before this crash happened over the weekend. So this is a definite, huge good sign for IOTA as it continues to stay on up. And, as we see these green, that's something we have to look in the market. So if we actually take here the crypto bubbles, here we can look at the past week to see some of our gains and losses. As you guys can see, there's a lot of red here, but there's always green. And look, IOTA is right there on this list right here, 52.5% in the past week right there. We have sand. So the sandbox is here about 40% or so. We have some other ones like Keep3RV1, which is up about 116% in the past week. We have Hive, which is up about 26%. WAX, which is up about 56%, LTO, which is up about 66% as well. So a lot of these coins, obviously are, staying up. We even have here Decentraland, which is up about 27%. So meanwhile, the rest of the market is red. There are some outliers. You just have to find them. There's always going to be something that will do better. So, always looking for something. Second altcoin on this list is going to be Solana, one of our favorite coins, guys, one of the green coins. Big, large cap coin that we love on this channel. We called this coin out when it was trading around $20 or so at the beginning of 2021. And look at us now. We're trading at over $200. Over 1,000% profit has been made here for any investors that got into Solana early on in 2021. Here in the past 24 hours, we're down about 6%, trading at $217 per coin. In the past week, we're down 9% from highs up here of over 250. In the past month, we're up 37% from highs of almost 260 or so. Here in the past year, 9,765%, which is insane. That means if you invested $1,000 and you got a 1,000% return, that's 10K. So here, almost 10,000%. That is about $97,000 profit if you would have invested $1,000 into Solana last year, which is insane. I mean, imagine investing what, around 10 or 11,000. You'd be a millionaire right now with Solana, which is just insanity to think about. In 1 year, 10K into 1 mil. Unbelievable, guys, but it's possible and it has happened. Obviously, we talked about this coin here when it was actually trading around, in the teens here, $13-14 in the beginning of the year, continued to rise on higher, pull back down with the market, and then we just saw an explosive move here from July all the way to September, hitting highs, pull back down, consolidate it, and then continue to push on even higher. And now the market caps keep on climbing, and we believe that Solana will continue to climb in the future, especially as NFTs continue to grow as well, because Solana is connected with them. So market cap 66.1 billion right now. Volume is up 19% higher, which is 3.2 billion here. Our trading activity is going to be 81% buy and 19% sell activity on Solana. For those of you who are not familiar with Solana, it is a decentralized computing platform that uses SOL to pay for transactions. Solana aims to improve blockchain scalability by using a combination of proof of stake consensus and so-called proof of history. As a result, Solana claims to be able to support 50,000 transactions per second without having to sacrifice decentralization. Now, how does Solana actually work, which is something that a lot of people want to know before they get into a coin. So one way Solana achieves high transaction speeds is via a combination of proof of stake consensus mechanism and a new mechanism called proof of history. Now, proof of history is designed to keep time between computers on a decentralized network without all the computers having to communicate about it and, come to an agreement. So, like Ethereum, Solana is a computing platform that can interact with smart contracts. Now, smart contracts power a wide range of applications from NFT market and DeFi to games and decentralized lotteries, like we said. One reason a user might choose an app that runs on Solana over, say, Ethereum is that the speeds are high and congestion is very low, so resulting in very low fees. And that's definitely something that people who are into Ethereum hate, the gas fees. So the Ethereum gas fees are through the roof, guys. And obviously, people are going to look for alternatives, and Solana could definitely be your alternative, as this is a greener coin and it continues to grow here. I expect Solana to continue to grow in the next few years and continue to push on higher and higher. Coming in at the number 3 spot here, we have Terra, also known as Luna. So Luna right here is down about 7.65% here in the past 24 hours, trading at $42.90. In the past week, this one is down 14% from highs of $55 almost. In the past month, it is up about 17%, and then on the 1 year chart, we're up over 13,925%. Another huge gainer, just like Solana. So this one here was trading at 34 cents last November. We hit highs here in March at $22, pulled back down to lows of about under $5, and from that range right there, we made about an 800% gain here since June or so. So it just continues to go higher and higher, with some pullback. So there are pullback opportunities, dip buying opportunities. That's always something that we want to look forward to for any long-term holders. So currently 18.5 billion market cap. Volume is doubled what it usually is. Usually we're trading at around 500 million, close to 600 million. Now we're at 1.2 billion here in volume. If we take a look, Luna just continues to grow, and that's definitely something that we want to continue to see. And I would not be surprised if Luna was trading at around $100 per coin, or close to 40 billion market cap in the next few years, as it continues to push on higher as well. So Luna, definitely another coin that we're going to be looking forward to for the long term. So those are going to be our 3 altcoins, guys, on the list. Now let's take a look at the rest of the market and see how everything is performing. First of all, the meme. So we have to look at Dogecoin. Let's see what's going on here. If we take a look here, in the past 24 hours is down 6%. Past week 14%. On the 1 month chart, literally flat. And if we actually take a look here, since June, so for the past 5 months or so, this coin has literally been trading in the mid 20s for the past 5 or 6 months. So it has not done anything for any long-term holders. Not much action here. We go up a little bit, we go down a little bit, and we come back to the exact place that we're at. So 31.2 billion market cap currently on Dogecoin. It's been flat, but here with this market pullback, we could see it, go on lower and lower as, Bitcoin and Ethereum, the large market cap coins, go on lower as well. So Bitcoin, first of all, here trading at around 59,000 or so, down about 4%. In the past week, we're down about 13% from highs of 69,000, like we said. So $10,000 pullback right there. That's huge. In the past month, we're down 2%. Past year, we're still up over 237%. Obviously, when we look at the bigger picture here, it's not that big of a dip. But if we look at the short term, obviously it is a big dip. Current market cap is going to be at 1.1 trillion, so we're still above that 1 trillion market cap. 15% of the crypto market space is taken up by Bitcoin. Volume is up 28% higher than usual at 43.5 billion. Trading activity is going to be 82% buy and 18% sell activity on Bitcoin. Then we have Ethereum. Pretty much the same pattern here, down about 5%, trading at 4,100. In the past week, we're down 14.5% from highs of almost 4,900, so $800 down. Here in the past month, we're up 8%. Past year, 811%. Once again, this is a small pullback compared to what has happened in the past year. Market cap is finally under 500 billion now. 6% of the crypto market space. Volume is up 32% higher than usual at 25.1 billion. Trading activity at 83% buy and 17% sell activity, which is definitely a nice sign to see as well. So Ethereum and Bitcoin making big pullbacks here in the past 48 hours or so. Will we continue to see this type of pullback happen for the next few weeks? Nobody really knows. We're going to be, keeping a very, very close eye out on it to see how it's going to perform going into the holiday weekend, obviously, and different things happening in the next 7 to 10 days. Black Friday, Cyber Monday, different things going on like that. We're going to see how all of this affects Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency, space. So you guys let me know in the comments below. What do you think is going to happen with crypto in the next, month or so going into the end of 2021? As always, if you enjoyed this type of content and you want to see more, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. We're almost at 46,000 subscribers, so let's get to it, guys. As always, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.